Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present our material titled Intro to Literature by Fatima Azahra. Let's begin with the topic 1. Imagery definition in detail. Imagery is a way for writers to use descriptive language to make readers picture things in their minds. The language appeals to the five of our senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Imagery helps readers see, hear, taste, feel, or experience the scene as if they are in the story. It gives depth and feeling to a piece of writing. Good imagery makes the writing more vivid, emotional, and easy to remember. A successful piece of imagery should be accessible from a text. For example, from Romeo and Juliet, Act 2, Scene 2. It is the east, and Juliet is the sun. The visual imagery describes how someone paints a strong picture in your mind. The picture helps the reader to visualize the idea being used. Another example, the flowers dance in the gentle breeze. This visual imagery makes it easy for the reader to imagine the scene. Good imagery helps to express emotion and setting for the characters. Imagery helps writers connect with their readers by using sensory language. By doing this, writers don't just describe things, they make readers feel like they are there. Importance in literature. Imagery makes writing easier to read and catch a lot of meaning. It shows emotion, expression, and gives strength to a literary work. Good imagery makes the writing more vivid, emotional, and easy to remember. And now, let's continue to topic 2. Plot twist definition in detail. A plot twist is a way of telling a story that suddenly changes the story's directions, ending, or meaning unexpectedly. A good twist in the plot shocks the audience, questions initial ideas, makes people feel anxious or shocked, makes the story stick in your mind. Short stories, novels, movies, and plays often have plot twists, especially in the mystery, horror, and thriller genres. Example from a work of literature. Guy de Maupassant's short story The Necklace La Parure. Mathilde borrows a necklace, loses it, and spends 10 years in poverty to get a new one. Later, she finds out that the first necklace was fake. Examination. People think the necklace is real and costs a lot of money. The end shows that all the pain, debt, and misery were not needed. The twist changes what the story is about. Importance in literature leaves a strong emotional impact. Shock, regret, irony. This story explores themes such as materialism, arrogance, and the consequence of lying. The story's main message is strongly embedded in the reader's memory. A plot twist is strong because it makes readers question what they thought they knew about the story. And now let's move the study case by Fatima Zahra. First, looking at Robert Frost's poems. Out Out is a poem. Stopping by woods on a snowing evening and the road not taken are two poems. Text 1. Look at the elements of each poem that are on the outset. Text 2. Read each poem and think about the symbols and what they imply. Give proof from the text. Text 3. Find the pictures in the poems and talk about them. Help with proof from the text. For example, in Out Out, 3 or 4 and shout. The sow snarled and rattled. They listened and his hand. This may symbolize how humans put the accident in their thoughts. In Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, through the trees and frozen lake. He will not see me stopping here. This describe nature's beauty. In the road not taken, two roads diverged in a yellow wood. A deeper road that wanted where this represent life's choices and directions. Now looking at Shirley Jackson's short story The Lottery. Text 1. Talk about the parts that are inside. The plot structure. Expositions. Every year, the locals assemble in the town square for the lottery. Rising action. Families draw papers, which makes things more dense. The black dot that Tessie Hutchinson points is the climax. The locals get ready with stones for the falling action. The end. Tessie gets killed by stones. Text 2. Text 2 examines the characters. Tessie Hutchins, a lively figure who only speaks out against the lottery when she is the one who loses. Mr. Summers, a bland guy who is in charge of the whole routine. Text 3. Talk about things are outside of your control. Social, cultural, historical. Social, following tradition without asking questions. Cultural, doing rituals without giving them any thought. Historical, shows how people believed after World War II when it was permissible for someone in control to use violence. Text 4. Interpretation in your own word. The narrative says that individuals blindly follow violent customs without thinking about what is right and wrong. People would rather feed it, even if it damages other people. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.